If I'm on a keto diet, I can eat 6,000 calories a day and I'm still not going to gain weight. Not true. Now, it is true that when you're eating keto and not eating carbs, you don't burn your calories as efficiently. Now, for the most of us, that's like 20% or less. For some people, and it's less than 10% of people, some people burn 30% less efficiently when they're not eating any carbs. At the bottom line though, let's say you burn 2,000 calories. That still doesn't mean you can eat 6,000 calories. The biggest impact, only 10% of us would have, is you could eat, 2,700 calories, a third again. So most of us, it's like 20%, in other words, 2,400 calories to maintain your weight. And as Martha is referring to here, Daryl's not the only person that has this problem. There are a lot of people that begin to wrap their head around the fact that they may have prediabetes, full-blown diabetes. Their cardiovascular system is healthier when they're not eating carbs. They're comfortable on a low-carb or keto diet, but they're having trouble maintaining their weight. Add the oils. Add the healthy oils in the morning, or add them whenever you can eat them. Talking about bright line eating, that's a rule that Martha says, or it sounds like Daryl may be adding back to his diet, adding a little bit of healthy fats. Winning stuff is exciting. It's fun, right? Why don't you win some stuff now? Click the link below, watch the video, answer the questions, and the more you answer right, the better your chances of winning. Give it a try. Win things like free courses that can save your life.